Next important command is apt-get command, which will be used frequently. apt-get command is used to update any software, to install any software, or to remove any software. How can you use it? Just use sudo first, sudo then apt-get. Sudo means super user do. Anything which requires the root permission requires the sudo command also, right? After using the sudo, it will ask for the password first, and when you will enter the password, then you will start executing. So sudo apt-get. Suppose I want to update resources, so I will use the update command over here. Press the enter. It will ask for the password. Enter the password, press enter, and it will start updating your sources. And after that, it will show this line again. It means you can execute your next command. For example, I want to install my Firefox, so again I will use the sudo super user do apt-get, and this time I will use the word install. What I want to install? Firefox. Press enter, and it will start executing. If you have already updated version, that it will not install the newest version, as it says Firefox is already the newest version, right? If it will require to install, then it will install the newest version on your system, and after that it will show this command. It means now you have the latest version. So sudo apt-get command can be used to upgrade any software, to install any software, or to remove any software. And apt means advanced packaging tool. It's the package manager who can do all this work: installation, removal, or upgradation. I hope sudo and apt-get command is clear to you.